Now, earlier in the year, I bought myself a drone for a very specific reason, to check out some green roofs. But I spent an afternoon down at Reculver in East Kent with my son, because my son was really excited to fly my drone, and being a child playing lots of video games, he was pretty good at it. So here's some footage of the towers at Reculver. And there'll be plenty more videos with lots of drone footage, not just of green roofs, but also of some of the habitats where I visit to watch birds and solitary bees.